Technology isn't the future. It's happening right now. Did you know your smartphone has more computing power than the NASA computers that landed Apollo 11 on the moon? Crazy, right? And get this, 90% of all data ever created was generated in just the last few years. AI is not just a buzzword. It's writing, painting, and composing music. In the medical field, robots are assisting in surgeries, making procedures safer and more precise. Quantum computers are on the horizon, promising to revolutionize everything we know about processing power. Smart homes are learning our habits, adapting to our lifestyles, while facial recognition technology can identify us even when we're masked. Virtual reality is being used to treat phobias, helping people confront their fears in immersive environments. Drones are now delivering medicine to remote areas, and 3D printers are capable of building entire houses. Tech is evolving faster than ever. It's an exciting time to be alive.